Keep moving.
Okay.
Good job.
I can't do.
You can do. Remove can't and replace it by can. Come on. Come on. 3 more steps and I'll get you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Last 2. The stick has to be close to you, right? No, that's wrong. That's a wrong step. Look here. Look here. Look at me. Come this time down. Slide and come down. Slide. Have you slide in your on your this thing? What do you call in the garden like that? That's okay. No problem. No problem. Come on. It's okay. It's powdered snow. You not get hurt. अरे मैं इतना easy आया था. Come on. Lovely. No, the stick is too far. The stick has to be near to you. Boy, look here. Yes. Away. Very good. One more step ahead. Come one step ahead. Now slide down here. Come on, slide down. Very good. Slide down. Or you can walk also. Perfect. Yes. Lovely. क्या बात है माय बॉय, क्या बात है भाई. हम तो अपने आप ही खड़े होते हैं. अगर अभी नहीं सीखोगे तो कब सीखोगे. लव यू स्वीटहार्ट. Enjoyed? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
This is 8 inches of snow, my friend, so don't worry, you'll not get hurt.